Are you tired of overspending at the grocery store? Do you wish you could save money while shopping? You're not alone. Many people struggle to manage their shopping budgets. Today, we will explore how to shop smart and save money. Shopping smart is about making informed choices. It's about knowing what you need and finding the best deals. Let's dive into practical steps you can take to save more money on groceries and essentials. First, always create a shopping list. Writing down what you need helps prevent impulse buys. Prioritize essentials first, then add non-essentials if your budget allows. This will keep you focused and reduce unnecessary purchases. Next, research prices and compare stores. Use apps and websites to check prices. Some stores offer loyalty cards that provide discounts. Take advantage of these savings by signing up. Now, let's talk about coupons. Collect paper and digital coupons before shopping. Check the store's website or apps for special offers. Using coupons can significantly reduce your total bill. Timing your shopping is important too. Shopping during sales or clearance events helps you get more for less. Many stores offer weekly deals, so plan your shopping around those times. Don't hesitate to stock up on essentials when prices drop. Another tip is to buy in bulk. Items like rice, pasta, and canned goods last long. Buying in bulk can save you money over time. Just make sure you have enough storage space at home. Also, consider generic brands. They often provide the same quality as name brands at a lower price. Don't hesitate to try them, you might save more than expected. For example, if you need toothpaste, compare prices of brand names to generic ones. You could find that the generic option is just as good and significantly cheaper. This small change can add up over time, building your savings. As we summarize, always create a shopping list, research prices, and use coupons. Shop during sales, consider bulk buying, and try generic brands. These simple strategies can transform your shopping experience. Remember, saving money doesn't mean sacrificing quality. By shopping smart, you can enjoy financial freedom. Start implementing these tips today. Share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe for more practical advice on saving money and shopping smart.